What is Gazania rigens? Gazania rigens, commonly known as treasure flower, is a vibrant, sun-loving perennial that belongs to the Asteraceae family. Native to South Africa, this plant is celebrated for its striking, daisy-like flowers that can bloom in a range of colors, from bright oranges and yellows to soft pinks and whites. Gazania rigens is valued for its ability to thrive in hot, sunny locations and its tolerance for drought conditions. See more 19 species in genus Gazania at monsteraholic.com. How to care for Gazania rigens. Caring for Gazania rigens is relatively straightforward, thanks to its hardy nature. Here are some essential tips. Sunlight. Gazania rigens thrives in full sun. Ensure it receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. This plant prefers well-draining soil. Sandy or loamy soil is ideal. Avoid heavy clay soils that retain moisture. Watering. Once established, Gazania rigens is quite drought-tolerant. Water it moderately, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Fertilization. Feed the plant with a balanced fertilizer once a month during the growing season to encourage abundant blooms. How to propagate Gazania rigens. Propagating Gazania rigens can be done through seeds or division. Seeds. Start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost. Sow them in a seed-starting mix and keep them in a warm, sunny location. Transplant seedlings outdoors after the danger of frost is past. Division. In early spring or fall, divide mature plants. Carefully separate the root clumps and replant them in well-prepared soil. What to plant with Gazania rigens. Gazania rigens pairs well with other sun-loving plants. Consider planting it alongside petunias. Their vibrant colors complement Gazania's bright blooms. Salvia adds height and a different texture to the garden. Verbena offers a similar sunny disposition and colorful display. Can you grow Gazania rigens indoors? Gazania rigens is best suited for outdoor gardens due to its need for full sun and space. Growing it indoors can be challenging as it requires ample light. If you want to try growing it inside, ensure you have a south-facing window or use grow lights to provide sufficient light. Additionally, indoor environments can sometimes be too humid or too dry, so monitoring conditions closely is crucial. Is Gazania rigens toxic? Gazania rigens is not considered toxic to humans or pets. This makes it a safe choice for gardens where children and animals play. However, as with any plant, it's a good practice to prevent pets from chewing on them, as excessive ingestion can sometimes cause mild digestive upset. Benefits of Gazania rigens. Gazania rigens offers several benefits. Drought tolerance. Ideal for low-water gardens or xeriscaping. Low maintenance. Requires minimal care once established. Attractive blooms. Provides vibrant, long-lasting color in sunny areas. Wildlife-friendly. Attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Common problems with Gazania rigens. While Gazania rigens is generally hardy, it can encounter some issues. Powdery mildew. This fungal disease can cause white powdery spots on leaves. Ensure good air circulation and avoid overhead watering to prevent it. Root rot. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Make sure the soil is well-draining and avoid excessive moisture. Pests. Watch out for aphids and spider mites. Treat infestations with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Gazania rigens versus linaris. When comparing Gazania rigens with Gazania linaris, there are a few key differences. Flower shape. Gazania rigens flowers are larger and more rounded compared to the narrower, more elongated blooms of Gazania linaris. Leaf shape. Gazania linaris typically has narrower, more needle-like leaves, while Gazania rigens features broader, more oval leaves. Growing conditions. Both varieties thrive in similar conditions, but Gazania linaris might be slightly more tolerant of cooler temperatures. Compare with similar plants. If you're considering Gazania rigens but want to explore other options, here's a quick comparison. Coreopsis. Coreopsis flowers are similar in shape and color, but often require more water and slightly less sun. Zinnias. Like Gazania, zinnias are bright and hardy. However, They may need more frequent watering and can be more susceptible to pests. Gazania rigens is a fantastic choice for brightening up sunny spots in your garden with minimal effort. Whether you're drawn to its vibrant blooms or its tough, drought-tolerant nature, it's a plant that can bring lasting beauty and color to your outdoor spaces.